नमस्कार. मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. In mathematics second means geometry, sixth chapter is trigonometry. Problem set 6. Question number 1 is MCQ. Now first, sin theta into cosec theta is equal to, options are given. Sin theta and cosec theta are the reciprocal of each other and hence product is equal to 1, means answer is, option is A, 1. Then second, cosec 45 degree means from the table answer is root 3 and hence B, answer is B under root 2. Now third, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to question mark. Now the formula of identity, we know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, answer is C sec square theta. Then fourth, answer is A, angle of elevation. Then question number 2. Question number 2, if sin theta is equal to 11 upon 61, then find the values of cos theta by trigonometric identities. Now here answer, sin theta is equal to 11 upon 61. Now we know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and hence cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Means putting the values we get 1 minus, now sin square theta means 11 upon 61 bracket square, and hence which is equal to 1 minus 11 square means 121, and upon, now the square of 61 is 3721, means 3721. On solving, which is equal to 3721, 1 are 3721, then minus 121, which is equal to, on solving we get 3600 divided by 3721, and hence cos square theta, now cos square theta is equal to 3600 upon 3721, and hence taking square root means cos theta is equal to square of this means 60, and square root of this is 61, and hence this is the answer. Then third question, if tan theta is equal to 2, find the values of other trigonometric ratios. Now tan theta is equal to 2, which is given, but we know the formula 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now putting values, and hence now 1 plus, now tan square theta, tan theta is 2, means 2 square is equal to sec square theta, and hence 1 plus 2 square means 4 is equal to sec square theta, and hence sec square theta इज इक्वल टू 4 प्लस 1 मीन्स 5. या ठिकाणी याची व्हॅल्यू जी आहे सेक स्क्वेअर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. मग सेक स्क्वेअर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 जर असेल तर सेक थीटा आपल्याला काढता येईल टेकिंग स्क्वेअर रूट मीन्स सेक थीटा is equal to under root 5. This is the one answer. Now sec theta is equal to root 5. Now we know the cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, which is equal to 1 upon root 5, and hence we can write hence cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 5. This is the second answer. Similarly, again we know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cosec square theta, or cosec square theta is equal to cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus. Now from this we know the tan theta is equal to 2 is given, means we know cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, which is equal to 1 upon 2, and hence cot theta is equal to 1 by 2. This is third answer. Then we know 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, and hence cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, which is equal to 1 plus, now cot square theta means 1 by 2 bracket square, which is equal to 1 plus 1 square means 1 and 2 square means here divided by 4. And on solving, 4 ones are 4 plus 1 upon 4, which is equal to 5 upon 4. This is cos square theta is equal to 5 by 4, and hence cosec square theta is equal to under root 5 upon 2. This is next answer. Again we know the sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, which is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, cosec theta is equal to root 5 by 2. Now cosec theta means root 5 by 2, and hence we can write hence sin theta is equal to, taking reciprocal, means 2 upon root 5. This is the sin theta, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are given. This is the answer. Then question number 4. Now fourth question, if sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, then find the values of other trigonometric ratios. या ठिकाणी sec theta is given, means sec theta which is equal to 13 upon 12, which is given. We know the sec theta. We know the formula 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Means now putting the values means 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, now sec square theta means 13 by 12 bracket square, which is equal to 13 square means 169 upon 12 square means 144. This is 1 plus tan square theta. Now solving we get, and hence tan square theta is equal to 169 upon 144. Then taking this 1 on right hand side means minus 1, which is equal to 169 then minus 144 into 1 means 144 upon 144, which is equal to, on solving we get, याला जर आपण सॉल्व केल्यानंतर याचा आन्सर 4 जर घेतलं तर 25 अपॉन 144 हे झालं tan स्क्वेअर थीटा इज इक्वल टू, याचा आपल्याला स्क्वेअर रूट काढून घ्यायचा आहे. स्क्वेअर रूट जर काढून घेतलं तर देन वी गेट tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू 25चं स्क्वेअर रूट हे 5 अँड अपॉन 144 याचं अंडर रूट स्क्वेअर रूट हे 12 राहील. मीन्स tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 12 राहील. त्यानंतर tan थीटा जर निघाला आहे तर आपल्याला cot थीटा काढता येईल. नाउ हियर वी नो द cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, which is equal to 1 upon tan theta means 5 by 12, 5 upon 12, and hence cot theta is equal to 12 upon 5. This is the next value of next ratio, means cot theta. Now here we know the cot theta is equal to 12 upon 5. Then we can find sec theta is given, means reciprocal of sec theta means 1 upon cos theta. Now cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, hence which is equal to 1 upon 13 by 12, and hence cos theta is equal to 12 upon 13. This is the value of next ratio, means cos theta is equal to 12 upon 13. Then now here tan theta, cot theta, cos theta, then next is sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and hence sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now putting the values we get, which is equal to 1 minus, now cos square theta is 12 by 13, means 12 by 13 bracket square, which is equal to 1 minus 12 square means 144 upon 13 square means 169, and hence sin square theta is equal to 169, then minus 144 upon 169, then which is equal to, now here 25 upon 169. Now taking square root, and hence sin theta is equal to square root of 25 means 5 upon square root of 169 is 13. This is the value of next ratio, means sin theta. Now sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta. Then next ratios are sec square theta and cosec square theta, we have to find out. Then we know we have the cosec theta now. Now cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, which is equal to 1 upon 5 upon 13, and hence cosec theta is equal to 13 by 5, 13 upon 5. This is the value of cosec theta. Then sec theta is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All ratios are found. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला ह्या व्हॅल्यूज फाइंड करता आल्या. मीन्स हियर we can write together the answers. Means sin theta is equal to 5 upon 13. Then cos theta is equal to, cos theta is 12 upon 13. Tan theta is equal to 5 upon 12, and cosec theta is equal to 5 upon 13, 13 upon 5. Then sec theta, which is given, is 13 by 12, and cot theta is equal to 12 upon 5, like this. Prove the following. First example is sec theta into 1 minus sin theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. Now left hand side is equal to sec theta into 1 minus sin theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Now on solving we get which is equal to, now sec theta means 1 upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta into, now here also sec theta means 1 upon cos theta, then plus tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Now here which is equal to, now here 1 upon cos theta into 1 into this means 1 upon, now multiplying by 1 upon cos theta into 1 means 1 upon cos theta, then minus sin theta into 1 means sin theta upon cos theta, like this. Then this is 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. Then which is equal to, here denominator is cos theta and cos theta, means we can add numerator, means 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta into, here also in second bracket cos theta are same, then 1 plus sin theta. Now on solving, now 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta into cos theta, means cos square theta, means which is equal to 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, means I am solving here, which is equal to, now square of the first term means 1 square, 1 square is 1, then minus square of the second means sin square theta upon cos square theta. Now we know the formula, 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta upon cos square theta, both get cancelled, means which is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS, and hence we can write sec theta into 1 minus sin theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1, hence the proof. Then second example, sec theta plus tan theta into 1 minus sin theta is equal to cos theta. Now left hand side LHS is equal to sec theta plus tan theta into 1 minus sin theta. Now by the identities we can write sec theta means 1 upon cos theta, then plus tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta, which is equal to, now here on solving we get, या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सॉल्व करून घ्यायचं आहे, इथेही cos थीटा आहे, इथेही cos थीटा आहे, आणि म्हणून न्यूमरेटर आपण ॲड करू शकतो, मीन्स 1 प्लस sin थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा इंटू 1 मायनस sin थीटा. या ठिकाणी 1 प्लस sin थीटा इंटू 1 मायनस sin थीटा आहे, एका ब्रॅकेटमध्ये प्लस आहे, एका सेकंड ब्रॅकेटमध्ये मायनस आहे, आणि म्हणून ते सॉल्व करताना स्क्वेअर ऑफ द फर्स्ट टर्म मीन्स 1 स्क्वेअर मीन्स 1, then minus square of the second means sin square theta upon cos theta, which is equal to, now we know the 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta, then upon cos theta, means which is equal to cos square theta means cos theta into cos theta upon cos theta. Cos theta get cancelled, means which is equal to cos theta, which is equal to right hand side, and hence now we can write here sec theta plus tan theta into 1 minus sin theta is equal to right side means cos theta. अशा प्रकारे याला आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करता आला. देन नेक्स्ट थर्ड example. Now third example here, third example is sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. Now here also left hand side means LHS is equal to sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Now which is equal to, now sec square theta means 1 upon cos square theta, then plus cosec square theta means 1 upon sin square theta, then which is equal to, on solving we get which is equal to, now on adding take a denominator cos square theta into sin square theta, add in denominator cos square theta into sin square theta. Now sin square theta into 1 means sin square theta, then plus 1 into cos square theta means cos square theta. Now we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 upon cos square theta into sin square theta. Then we know now we can separate this, which is equal to 1 upon cos square theta, then into 1 upon sin square theta, which is equal to, now 1 upon cos square theta means sec square theta into 1 upon sin square theta means cosec square theta, hence which is equal to right hand side means RHS, and hence we can write sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta, like this. Then fourth example, now fourth example, cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus sec square theta. Again left hand side LHS is equal to cot square theta minus tan square theta. Now which is equal to, we know the cot square theta means cos square theta upon sin square theta, then minus tan square theta means sin square theta upon cos square theta. Now which is equal to, here sin square theta into cos square theta, sin square theta into cos square theta. Then cos square theta into cos square theta means cos to the power 4 theta minus sin to the power 4 theta. Now on solving, this is equal to, now here cos, or we can write square bracket square, इथं sin square theta bracket square इझी वाटेल कदाचित, दोन्ही याचा सेम मिनिंग. या ठिकाणी स्क्वेअर ऑफ द फर्स्ट मायनस स्क्वेअर ऑफ द सेकंड असं जर असेल तर आपल्याला सेपरेट करता येते, ॲड आणि सबस्ट्रॅक्ट आपल्याला करता येते. तर त्यानुसार आपल्याला या ठिकाणी सॉल्व करता येईल. या ठिकाणी स्क्वेअर ऑफ द फर्स्ट मायनस स्क्वेअर ऑफ द सेकंड एका ब्रॅकेटमध्ये ॲड करा, दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करा. मग या ठिकाणी कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा देन प्लस या ठिकाणी साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा होईल, साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा, अँड इन सेकंड ब्रॅकेट कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा मायनस साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा होईल अपॉन या ठिकाणी साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा इंटू कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा राहील, विच इज इक्वल टू, नाउ कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा इज 1 इंटू धिस व्हॅल्यू मीन्स धिस ओनली. मग या ठिकाणी 1 इंटू धिस, याची व्हॅल्यू 1 राहील, 1 इंटू cos square theta means cos square theta minus sin square theta upon sin square theta into cos square theta होईल. देन या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सेपरेट जर करतो म्हटलं तर विच इज इक्वल टू कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा अपॉन साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा इंटू कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा होईल. देन मायनस हियर साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा अपॉन साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा इंटू cos square theta. Now sin square theta get cancelled, here cos square theta get cancelled, then we get which is equal to, now here 1 upon sin square theta. Now 1 upon sin square theta, here 1 upon sin square theta, then minus 1 upon cos square theta. We know the formula or values. 1 upon sin square theta means cosec square theta, then minus 1 upon cos square theta means sec square theta, which is equal to right hand side means RHS, and hence we can write cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus sec square theta. Then fifth example, tan raised to power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. Now here left hand side means LHS is equal to tan to the power 4 theta then plus tan square theta. Now here taking now here tan raised to power 4 means tan square theta bracket square, then plus tan square theta. Now which is equal to, here also tan square theta, here also tan square theta, means we can take the common, means taking common tan square theta, then into we get, now here tan theta, tan square theta, then plus 1. Now tan square theta means we know the sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1 into 1 plus tan square theta means sec square theta. Now on solving we get which is equal to, here tan square theta, sec square theta into sec square theta means sec to the power 4 theta, then minus sec square theta into 1 means sec square theta, which is equal to RH, yes, right hand side. And hence we can write here tan raised to power 4 theta, then plus tan square theta is equal to sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. This is the answer. Then next example means sixth example, 1 upon 1 minus sin theta plus 1 upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 sec square theta. Now here left hand side is 1 upon 1 minus sin theta plus 1 upon 1 plus sin theta. Now here taking, now here 1 minus sin theta in denominator and here 1 plus sin theta, here plus and here minus. Taking LCM, then which is equal to 1 plus sin theta into 1 means 1 plus sin theta, then plus 1 into 1 minus sin theta means 1 minus sin theta, divided by, now here 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now on solving we get which is equal to, now 1 plus 1 means 2, then sin theta minus sin theta get cancelled, then divided by, here 1 minus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta means square of the first term means 1 square means 1, then minus square of the second means sin square theta, then which is equal to 2 upon, now 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta, and hence which is equal to 2 into 1 upon cos square theta means we know the sec square theta, which is equal to right hand side means RHS, and hence we can write, hence 1 upon 1 minus sin theta, then plus 1 upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 sec square theta. This is the answer. Then seventh example, now here sec raised to power 6 x minus tan raised to power 6x is equal to 1 plus 3 sec square x into tan square x. Now here left hand side means LHS is equal to sec to the power 6x minus tan raised to power 6x. This is the left hand side. Now we know, or we can convert this into, now here sec square x cube then minus tan square x cube. Cube of the first term minus cube of the second term. By formula we know the sec square x, sec square x, then minus this tan square x into 1 bracket into second bracket, square of the first means sec raised to power 4, sec to the power 4 x, then plus sec square x into second term means tan square x, then plus square of the second means tan raised to power 4 x by the formula. Then which is equal to, now sec square x means here 1 plus tan square x then minus tan square x into here sec to the power 4 x then plus on solving this sec square x into tan square x plus tan to the power 4 x. sec raised to power 4 x minus या ठिकाणी ॲडजस्टमेंट करायचं आहे मायनस 2 सेक स्क्वेअर टॅन स्क्वेअर थीटा एक्स. या ठिकाणी -2 घेतलं तर आपल्याला नेक्स्ट 3 इंटू सेक स्क्वेअर एक्स इंटू टॅन स्क्वेअर थीटा घ्यावं लागेल आणि प्लस टॅन रेस टू पॉवर 4x मी या ठिकाणी इथे लिहिलं. याला ॲडजस्टमेंट केल्यानंतर इथून तर इथपर्यंत हे जे आहे सेक स्क्वेअर एक्स मायनस टॅन स्क्वेअर एक्स ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस 3 इंटू सेक स्क्वेअर इंटू टॅन स्क्वेअर एक्स. राईट हँड साईडमध्ये सुद्धा हा पोर्शन आहे. याची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला 1 आणायची आहे. नाउ सेक स्क्वेअर एक्स मीन्स 1 अपॉन कॉस स्क्वेअर एक्स मायनस टॅन स्क्वेअर एक्स मीन्स साइन स्क्वेअर एक्स अपॉन कॉस स्क्वेअर एक्स ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस दिस पोर्शन then which is equal to, now here denominators are same. Now 1 minus sin square x upon cos square x bracket square plus 3 into sec square x into tan square x. Now which is equal to, on solving we get, now 1 minus sin square x means cos square x upon cos square x x and bracket square. Now this get cancel, we get 1 square means 1, then plus 3 into sec square x into tan square x. Then या ठिकाणी 1 square means 1 and hence which is equal to 1 plus 3 sec square x into tan square x, which is equal to right hand side means RHS, and hence we can write now sec raised to power 6x minus tan raised to power 6 x is equal to 1 plus 3 into sec square x into tan square x. 8th example, tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 is equal to sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Left hand side is equal to tan theta upon sec theta plus 1. Now here which is equal to, या ठिकाणी डिनॉमिनेटर जो आहे याचा जर आपण कॉन्जुगेट पेअर जर घेतली तर देन वी गेट सेक थीटा प्लस असल्यामुळे या ठिकाणी -1 यांनी मल्टिप्लाय करायचं न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटर दोन्ही याला सेक थीटा -1 आणि याला मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर देन वी गेट विच इज इक्वल टू, या ठिकाणी tan theta into tan theta into sec theta -1 upon, now sec theta plus 1 into sec theta -1 means square of the first means sec square theta, then minus 1 square means 1. Now which is equal to, now here on solving we get, now sec square theta -1 means here tan theta into sec theta -1, we know tan square theta is equal to 1 plus sec square theta, and hence sec square theta -1 means tan square theta. Tan square theta means tan theta into tan theta. Now here tan theta get cancelled, and hence then we get only sec theta -1 sec theta -1 upon tan theta, which is equal to right hand side, and hence we can write tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 is equal to sec theta -1 upon tan theta. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करता येते. देन नेक्स्ट 9th example, tan cube theta -1 upon tan theta -1 is equal to sec square theta plus tan theta, and here now left hand side LHS is equal to tan cube theta -1 upon tan theta -1. या ठिकाणी फर्स्ट क्यूब मायनस सेकंड क्यूब फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला यूज करायचा आहे, आणि म्हणून या ठिकाणी tan थीटा -1 in one bracket and in second bracket tan square of the first means tan square theta, then 1 into tan theta means tan theta, then plus 1 upon tan theta minus 1. Now this get cancelled, tan theta minus 1, then which is equal to, now tan theta, then we get only here 1 into this means tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1 only. Now here 1 plus now tan square theta means here tan square theta means sec square theta minus 1. Tan square theta means sec square theta minus 1, then plus tan theta, then plus 1. Now plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled and we get only sec square theta, then plus tan theta, which is equal to right hand side means RHS, and hence we can write tan cube theta minus 1 upon tan theta is equal to sec square theta plus tan theta.